So who's ready for big giveaways? Because I'm starting the channel milestone giveaways. Please watch this video all the way because I am going to give away coolest RC items and drones to the followers of my channels. So if you haven't subscribed to my channels yet, see the video description for the links to all my channels and subscribe today. As my channels hit set milestones, my followers win coolest RC items. These are my simple to achieve channel milestones. ZGamer Daddy YouTube channel milestone 1. Once my ZGamer Daddy channel hits 4,000 subscribers and 8,000 watch hours, I'll give away Ishin Taro 79S ready to fly FPV racing drone with video goggles. Here's a milestone 2 for my ZGamer Daddy YouTube channel. As my channel hits 8,000 subscribers and 12,000 watch hours, I will give away the Radiomaster TX16S Max Edition AliShanMao version. And here's the milestone 3 for ZGamer YouTube channel. Once ZGamer Daddy channel hits 10,000 subscribers and 15,000 watch hours, I'm going to give away FreeSky X90 Plus SE 2019 edition. And Rumble channel's Hobby Daddy ZGamer milestone 1. Once any of my channels hit 1,000 followers and 5,000 collective views, I'll give away Bet FPV 85X drone and T240 charger. Rumble channel Hobby Daddy ZGamer milestone 2. Once my D's channel hit 5,000 followers and 10,000 collective views, I will give away Flywoo Explorer long range FPV racing drone. And now for the biggest prize that you have been waiting for, the DJI Mavic Air to fly more combo aerial filming drone. Yes, once my Rumble channels hit 50,000 followers or 500,000 collective views, or ZGamer Daddy YouTube channel hits 50,000 subscribers and 20,000 watch hours, I'm gonna give away a brand new DJI Mavic Air to fly more combo to a lucky winner. For more details, there are many links in the video description, so go ahead and follow those links. So I'll be posting regular updates on my social media, so make sure to keep an eye on my social media. I'll be posting another video with tips and tricks on my Rumble channel, so watch that as well. Don't underestimate the power of viral share. You can make this happen. So let's get us started. I have already set things in motion. All you have to do is follow the links in video descriptions and get things moving. Watch, follow, like and share my videos on your social media daily.